I am so ready for this election to be over. I think we all feel that way. It is now just 2 weeks away, so let's go ahead and use this opportunity to do one last major look into where the race currently stands. So nationally, Harris is up by 1.8% according to the 538 poll aggregator. For the swing states, the same tool puts Arizona, Georgia, North Carolina, and Pennsylvania as ever so slightly leaning towards Trump. And Michigan, Wisconsin, and Nevada have the same thing but for Harris. So by all accounts, the race here is extremely close. An important caveat here is that polling data, it's not very high resolution. So even though it says here that Georgia is plus 1.4% for Trump and Michigan is 0.2% for Harris, it's really just telling us that these states are neck and neck. But for more detail, we can turn to other tools like prediction markets. This tries to use market dynamics to add resolution to our insights. And according to Polymarket, Trump does have a more substantial edge. According to this data, in each individual swing state, Trump has a roughly 60% chance of winning those states. So in combination with polling data, I do find this rather useful, but some people do claim that Polymarket is compromised because of a few large bets for Trump that are swaying things in his favor, but I'm not sure I fully believe that. Because if that was true, Harris shares would be undervalued and people would rush in and buy up those shares in order to make a quick, easy profit. But that largely hasn't happened. So I think this is reflective of what people believe. Again, otherwise the market would correct for it. And we also have other betting markets like PredictIt pointing to a similar outcome. And finally, pivoting to early voting data, here, historically, Democrats have a huge advantage. And as of right now in Pennsylvania, according to ABC, 63% of the vote so far is for Democrats. But that is slightly down from the 74% in 2020. But what do you guys think on this election? Let us know in the comments below. If I had to interpret all this data, I think it's very neck and neck, but it does seem that the slight momentum edge is with Trump at the moment, but we still have 2 weeks to go, and that momentum can shift very fast. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.